tu commences avec ça. Tu commences à manger, ok?
Ok. Oh.
Tu dis bonjour.
Bonjour.
Oh, on t'a envoyé des cadeaux. Attention, ne mets pas dans les cheveux. Allez, on va mettre là. Maintenant, on va allumer le four.
I'm a little bit cold.
Bien. Pourquoi tu ne te mets pas debout? Ça sera plus facile.
Huh?
Pourquoi tu ne te mets pas debout? Ça sera plus facile pour toi.
I want to do that.
I'll do the butter. Okay, debout chérie, so you don't spill outside.
Okay.
Avec les mains, loulou. Bébé. Okay. Stir. Good job. Now you can put it on the napkin for a second. Put that on the napkin for a second. Let's stir your eggs, okay?
Okay.
Here you go. Gentle stirring. So you have people watching you. You can say hello while you're cooking.
Hello.
So can you teach them how to cook eggs?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Mix.
Gentle stirring.
Gentle stirring. Check it.
I hear your hot dog sizzling.
Yeah. I heard that too.
Okay, now I'll finish coloring in our head. Next, let's
Maybe
color
like
in gecko. Green eyes.
So somebody gave you a lot of little hearts. Look at that. Ooh, and a flower. You see?
Each skin.
All right. Now, gonna put this away. Now you tend to your hot dogs.
Green with light green.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Ooh, I hear your eggs. Okay, let me take this. All right, hold on to your pot. And gentle stirring.
I've been looking for my dragon, but I can't seem to find him.
I put the stove a little bit hotter than the last time.
Do you see my dragon?
Okay, so be careful. Because I don't want the pancakes to take too long. Oh look, they put another little heart on your head.
I didn't see it.
Maybe they'll send another one. You see the heart? Be careful. Be careful. So are you gonna say thank you? Jesus.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh look, they sent you another heart.
Oh, is it?
Gentle stirring, okay?
I can see the inside now.
Yep. Let's put your cheese.
Okay.
Hold this thing. Break it
A
up.
little bite.
Okay. Okay, put your cheese in there.
Oh, stop! There's a big forest of trees in our way. We can't go around it. We can't go under it. So what are we gonna do? That's right. We have to climb the tree.
All right.
Okay, hold on everybody.
I'm
Here
gonna
we
help
go.
you mix the cheese in a little bit.
Climb your tree.
Very good, Leia.
Hold on.
Hold your pot.
Branches at the top if you got your balance.
You're so silly. Here's your paper.
This big tree. Wow.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, they sent me a little puppy with
The little
pipette
puppy with the pipette hearts.
No dragons.
Careful, please. It's hotter than you're used to today.
And let's keep going.
I can see the smoke.
Yeah.
Going on a dragon.
Why is it so smooth?
On a dragon hunt. Let's go.
I almost shot the stove.
Be careful.
Okay.
That's why I was telling you stand up because we usually do it on the big table and you're standing up.
We almost got a fire if we would drop it.
Away.
Gentle.
Around it.
Oh.
We can't go under
Hold
it.
your stove. Hold your pot.
What are we gonna do? Wait.
So it can be stable.
So jump in your boats, everyone. Here we go. Paddle across the swamp.
Do you like your eggs a little bit watery or no?
Go, go, go.
No.
Use your belly.
I like my eggs wet.
Why?
That's how I like it. I don't like it too hard.
Or like this?
Like this, yeah.
You like it like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
You ready for your plate?
Yeah.
You want to show them your eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them first.
Oh.
Don't
Okay.
want it. Is it heating down?
There's a very tall, very rickety, very...
Maya, are you eating your eggs, baby?
We can't go around it.
Good job.
Mama, I want it with my
What are we
pancakes.
gonna do?
Yes, baby, we're gonna do your
We're gonna
pancakes
have to
next.
cross the bridge.
Can I
But I
taste a
don't
little
trust
bit
this
of it?
bridge. Let's make our own bridge with our bodies. Can you lie down on your back and lift on up to make
Okay,
your
let me
bridge?
go watch this again.
Okay.
Come on, get a little bit higher and higher. So we can all
You can talk to the people and say hello.
lift up.
You're eating with your fingers, Leia.
Yes.
Look around.
I'm eating with it. Mama, they gave me rainbow wings.
They did?
Yeah.
Bridge.
Say we are cooking breakfast with you guys this morning.
We're cooking breakfast with. Oh! They sent me a little heart on my head.
Let's keep going.
They sent me the butterfly wings.
Oh, I've never seen that one before. That's pretty cool.
On a dragon hunt, let's go. Going on a
Okay.
dragon hunt, going
You've
on
never done the pancake on this stove before, so it's gonna be a little bit different, okay? We gotta go fast so your eggs doesn't get cold.
I see the cave up in the distance. And normally when my dragon runs away, he hides in the cave
You
and
gotta be careful.
I'm just making it a little bit hotter so it'll cook faster, okay?
Oh, okay. I have to be brave. Can I do it?
No, let me do the butter. Okay. Since we don't have a small louche, we're gonna use this. So you're gonna wait for the butter to start to steam.
Oh,
You're
it's
gonna
steaming.
hear it. Oh, I left a little wooden thing.
dragon hunt, going on a dragon hunt.
That's the wooden thing.
Okay, stop. It's really dark in here. Get out your flashlight. Do you see anything? Do you hear anything?
Careful.
You want to?
That's not a dragon.
Can you hear the butter?
Ribbon. That's not
I see it bubbling up. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's not a
So
dragon.
now, let's move the egg stuff away. We're gonna do this.
Oh no, that's my dragon.
We're gonna either, let me pour for you. How about that?
No.
You don't want me to pour?
Oh, come on, everybody, run, 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 run. Out of the cave, go, go, go. Oh,
Do I put it on here?
Uh-huh.
here's the bridge. Oh,
Come on, you gotta move it faster. Pick up another scoop,
keep going,
move
everybody.
it faster.
There's the
And
smoke.
one more. Don't shake it, don't shake it. Just pick up and put.
Run.
3.
Yeah,
There's the forest and trees.
all right, that's enough.
Go, go, go.
Put the scooper in there.
We have to keep going.
Thank you.
There's my house. Okay, run into the house, everybody. Shut the door.
I did good. Fine.
You found my dragon. Ah. I wasn't scared. Were you scared?
Okay.
I wasn't afraid.
Now you're just gonna let it cook. You wait, okay? Don't shake the table. You just wait. Understood? Yes, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I stir it?
No, you don't stir pancakes.
I'm gonna watch it bubble.
Okay. You just don't stir it.
But when it's bubbling,
And then I think after that I'm gonna make the rest of the pancakes on the big stove because this is gonna take too long.
the big stove.
Okay, let's see what everybody's saying to you.
Oh, hi.
It's going fast. Hold on, I can't read that fast. Allô tout le monde? Bonjour, bonjour. Le petit déjeuner. You want to say something?
Hello. I'm ready to cook.
Yeah. Are you a good cook?
Yeah. Oh, look.
Wow.
That's the wings that I'm talking about.
C'est joli ça.
Can you say that again, please?
She's asking for the wings. They said, hi baby girl, hello. You got jolie fille. They said, you're beautiful. Ooh, what is that?
What is that?
That is fun.
Oh. Send that again to me, please.
Careful. We gotta keep an eye on the pancake.
Oh, yeah. Is it ready?
Yeah, doing the pancake on the small one is not.
Oh, look. They made me
Ooh,
sunglasses.
glasses.
Oh, a butterfly. Oh, wow. What is that?
Oh, somebody sent you a little TikTok money thing.
Oh.
It's like, careful.
Oh, look.
What was it?
You
I
missed
missed it.
Do the pink thing again.
They send you little hearts and they send you little faces with heart eyes. T'as vu?
Oh, look. Oh, okay. Hold on.
So why don't you tell them about how your day was yesterday? Were you good in school yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do yesterday?
I did.
Pas fait figure qu'on s'en mais papa. Don't do that. You look like your dad. Oh, we're good.
You see, that's what I was talking about.
Oh, look.
Oh,
Oh, that is so cool.
what is that?
Mais ça, mais il y a beaucoup de choses dans TikTok. This is so fun.
Wow.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me try to read. You look like your dad. Yeah, when she makes that face, she does. Yes, ami. C'est ça? Il parle créole. Ou parle créole, Léa?
Oui.
Qui sont qu'on dit en créole?
Hello.
Ça qu'a fait.
Saka. Fait.
Bagay drôle.
Bagadou.
Qu'est-ce que tu sais dire encore? Pied boyau!
Toutouni.
Pourquoi tu fais ça avec ta bouche?
Toutouni.
Pied boyau toutouni, ça veut dire pas de feuille?
Naked.
I think they know what toutouni means. Pied boyau pas de feuille. Attention chérie, ça c'est chaud, il faut faire attention. Tu peux parler, mais il faut quand même faire attention. Tu es quand même en train de cuisiner, pas vrai?
Cuisine. I know what that means.
Maybe we made it too deep.
Too deep.
Yeah.
Oh.
The greenhouse.
So guys, this is the first time that we are actually doing pancake in the little stove. So I don't know, this is kind of interesting. Maybe we should have made it flatter. That's okay. But I think I'm gonna end up finishing it up on the regular stove like we usually do.
How about checking the purple house?
Parce que c'est la première fois que nous faisons pancake dans notre chaudière, so peut-être que
Oh no,
nous
the
pas connaître. D'habitude nous faisons soupe là-dedans, nous faisons œufs, mais pancake là nouveau pour nous. Et il prend un pile temps.
It's a cow.
Takes a long time, huh?
This blue house.
I see it bubbling.
A dog.
No.
I mean, it is cooking. It just takes a long time. Your eggs are gonna be cold by the time it's done.
Oh no.
A piece needs to be
Oh
missing.
man.
Wait. Abracadabra.
Oh no.
This animal is a cow. Here's
Oh, but you see, it's bubbling up. Maybe next time we only do 2 scoops instead of 3.
cows are cool animals. They can have best friends and they can
sending a man to me.
I'm not. It's somebody who just wanted to co-host and talk to you a little bit. I wonder if Titi Fabi was here, we could co-host with Titi Fabi.
I'm so curious.
I don't know if she's there.
See it too, guys? Let's clear all this sand away.
Okay, be careful, don't push the table. Let me see.
It's lovely. Ah, I gotta hold the stove. It's shaking.
Like another puzzle piece. Okay, now let's figure out what's hiding in this big sand. It feels like cutting a cake. Yummy. I see something. Let's see. One more piece. And finally, the blue sand.
Bless you. Mange tes œufs, maman. Tu as presque fini. Tu as mangé les hot dogs seulement.
Faster.
Non, mange des œufs et puis je vais te donner pancake tout à l'heure.
Here we go.
Allez, allez, donne
Mama,
Fifi.
my pot was shaking, so I hold the handle a little bit.
That's right. It's a turtle.
Oh, they sent me a little heart on my head.
They did?
It's a hard shell for protection. This shell
Hey.
is part of its body.
Can you co-host Leia on TikTok?
Long time. They lay eggs on land.
And montez non.
What's this? Shall I hold?
Okay, send it to me. Send it to me.
Oh, I'm back on from my tablet. I'm on live on my
A
page.
lot of different things.
Okay, I'm coming.
Whoa.
Okay, Titi Fabi is coming.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's sort that.
Oh, we just needed to be more patient. It is working. Somewhat working, guys.
Butterfly.
Almost done.
Let me try to do the flipping. Don't put your face too close, okay?
See you later.
Yes!
Oh,
There's Fred.
Oh,
it worked, but we're making a mess.
no.
A total mess.
Yeah, I told him this.
Apple.
Okay, let's see if Titi Fabi is coming.